Good morning, kids. How are you? I hope you all are well and safe at home. A very warm welcome to all the students of class 2nd to today's English grammar class. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 11, that is pronoun. Open your books, children, page number 53. Read the following paragraph. Rahul was late to school. He explained to the headmaster that he was late because he had taken a sick old woman to the hospital in his bicycle as she could not walk. The headmaster patted his back and said, "We are proud of you as our student." So children, in this paragraph, the words he, she, we and you are pronouns. So children, you might have noticed that few words are used, that is he, she, we, you, instead of using nouns. So what are pronouns? Pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Pronouns are words that are used in place of noun. For example, Rahul is a boy. Here I have written the sentence, Rahul is a boy. Rahul is a noun in this sentence. And can you tell me, children, that what is a noun? A noun is the name of any person, place, animal or thing. So here the name of a person or a boy is used, that is Rahul. If we do not want to use this word Rahul again and again in the paragraph, then we can use the word he instead of Rahul. He is a boy. So kids, the word that is used in place of this noun, he, is a pronoun. I repeat once again, what is a pronoun? Pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns. Next, let us read further. Read the following sentences. This is Kavita. Kavita is an intelligent girl. Kavita respects her parents and elders. Kavita goes to school daily. Everybody praises Kavita. So in these sentences, children, you might have noticed that Kavita word is repeated again and again. To avoid this repetition, we use pronouns in our sentences. In this sentence, the word Kavita is repeated many times. We use another word in its place to stop this repetition. Thus, the above sentence can be written in the following way. Instead of using Kavita, how we can change this sentence into by the use of pronouns here. This is Kavita. She is an intelligent girl. Here we have replaced the word Kavita with she. She respects her parents and elders. She goes to school daily. Everybody praises her. Here we have used she and her as the pronoun. In these sentences, we have used she and her in place of Kavita. These words are known as personal pronouns. So kids, the word she, her comes in the category of personal pronouns. Read the following sentences. I am Mohini. Mamta gave me a book. This computer is mine. When we are talking about ourselves, the word that are used to in place of name, we have used here I, me and mine. So all these are pronouns that are used, and these are personal pronouns. Page number 54. We are classmates. Our class teacher praised us for the good homework. These books are ours. In these sentences, I, me, mine, we, us, ours are personal pronouns of first person. So children, first person is the person who is talking in this sentence. Here, if I say, I am a girl. In this sentence, I is the first person. So children, I, me, mine, we, us, ourselves are personal pronouns that are used in these sentences. All the pronouns that are used for the person speaking are called the pronouns of the first person. Person who speaks, जो person बोल रहा होता है, that person is the first person. As you can see here, I is the first person. It is talking about self. Person who speaks is the first person, and the word that I used in the first person are I, me, mine, we, us, ours. Then read the following sentences. You are a good player. These photographs are yours. In these sentences, you and yours are the personal pronouns of second person. All the pronouns that are used for the person spoken to. So what is second person? Person whom we speak. So the person spoken to is the second person in any sentence. If I am talking to any person, then I'll use you, yours. Okay. So that is the second person in the sentence. Read the following sentences. He is playing tennis. We praise him for his good behavior. She is singing sweet song. I met her yesterday. The baby is crying. Feed it. They are good neighbors. Tell them the news. In these sentences, he, him, she, her, it, they, them are personal pronouns of third person. All the pronouns that are used for the person spoken about. Here, the person who is spoken about whom we are talking. It can be he, she, it can be him, her. All these words are used for the third person when we are talking about any other person, or the third person when we are talking about. Then it is the personal pronoun of third person. Understand and learn the following table of personal pronouns. So children, One table is given on page number 55. Let's see. First one is first person pronoun, then is second person pronoun, and next is third person pronoun. So children, the words like I, me, mine, we, us, ours, all these words comes in the category of first person when we are talking about the person who is speaking. Second person pronouns, you and yours. And in third person, when we are talking about any other person, we use he, his, she, her, etc. All these words are used in third person pronouns. The words mine, are, your, his, her, its, and their are called possessive pronouns. So these are called possessive pronouns. His functions both as possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. How? He lost his bag. This shows position. We are talking about bag. We are telling what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing what? Here his bag is describing about the bag. That bag belongs to that person. But here in the next sentence, this book is his. Now we are talking about, we are using his as a pronoun in this sentence. Okay children, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have learned well. You have to read this chapter carefully.